Hi guys, this is Melissa from the House of Plaid Fuzz, and today I'm going to do a quick flip through of my micro TN that I'm using as a wallet. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos, and if you're not, welcome back. I've had several requests to show how I am using this micro TN as a wallet, so I thought I would just do a video. This is just a little pouch that I crocheted to protect it as I am throwing it in and out of my purse. I didn't, this is the Foxy Fix Boss Babe Madison leather. And you can see there, it does scratch. I wouldn't say super easily, but it does scratch as it kind of patinas. So I wanted to protect that a bit. This is, like I said, the Boss Babe Madison, a silver star embossed on the front, trailing hearts in oil slick on the spine, and this is a micro wide. To get this particular planner, it was a little spendy, but if I was buying like a designer wallet or something, I would have spent a lot more. So, and the fact that it's multifunctional as a planner, if I decide to stop using it as my wallet, I like as well. So, first of all, I don't have a lot of decor in here or anything. It kind of gets ruined going in and out of my purse. So what's the point, basically? And I mean, it's a wallet. It doesn't need to be beautiful. This little wallet insert is from Doll Birdies on Etsy. I will link that below. There are card pockets here, a zipper pouch where I can put change, card pockets here, and a card pocket in the back too. This fits like a micro or a nano, and you can send her the specific measurements of your planner, which I probably should have done because this is a little short on mine. I was using a sugar cherry blossom leather TN as my wallet, and that leather is a lot floppier, and since this one was shorter, it was kind of warping the cover a little bit. So just FYI. This is a Foxy Fix wallet insert. I got this on the mystery sale. I really like the color. I love this sugar mint leather. It doesn't necessarily like go with my setup here, but it doesn't clash either, so I was fine with it. And again, this is just a card holder. Some of these do come with a zipper, but like I said, it was mystery sale, so I didn't get to pick what I got. And this one's actually not marked as mystery sale, so there's really nothing wrong with it. I do like that. I just have a little dashboard in here with some card stock. It says Live Colorfully. These are the secretarial pockets. I have a little picture of my sons and my nephew there. And then over here, I have a few stickers, kind of throwback from when I was using this as an actual planner. This is the back here, some cardstock. This is just a little die cut from, I believe this was from Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. I'm not sure where this came from. This actually came with another planner I had purchased, so I just left it. This as well. This is an Annie Plans printable insert where I keep shop coupon codes because, quite frankly, a lot of times I need to grab a debit card or something, so it's kind of handy to have those in here. This card pocket is really like stretchy material. I got this, I believe, at Five Below for like $3. And again, the color isn't matchy, but whatever, it works. And this is a paper clip that I use. There's just a couple categories that we pull cash out for. Eating out is one of them. So it's just a paper clip, and on my label maker I just printed out this little label so I can keep track of it. Back here we have another card pouch. This one was from the Target Dollar Spot, and I love this one. It's kind of holographic. And again, I don't really have anything in the back here. What I love about these planners is this big pocket in the back, so I can put cash in here. And I have another clip in here. This was for the chiropractor, so I'll stick it in here until I replenish that cash. So for right now, I just have a few dollars of spending money left. So there you have it. There is my micro wide TN that I am using as a wallet. I'm going to link everything I talked about in the description box below, and I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.